What you'll need is 4 slices of smoked salmon, 2 crackers. Here I have some sesame crackers that I like to eat. You can choose whatever cracker you like. Roughly 100 grams of cottage cheese, 1/2 of a sliced red onion, a small handful of dill, and finally some salt and some pepper. Take your crackers and spread some cottage cheese onto it, roughly 50 grams per cracker. Season it with some pepper and a little bit of salt because your salmon is already pretty salty. At this point you can drizzle a little bit of olive oil if you want for extra flavor, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Take your salmon and pinch it apart into small pieces. You can also cut it up, but I like to do it this way. I'm using roughly 2 slices of salmon per toast. Of course, it's all up to you. You can just use like 1 piece of salmon, especially in this economy. Then come the onions. Again, to your own preference. If you like onion, add a lot. If you don't. It's that simple. And finally comes the dill. Just pinch it apart in your hands and sprinkle it on top. That's about it.